We all love eating out, right? But what's really going on behind the scenes? Past the sizzling grill and the friendly smiles? Well, there's this powerful tech network, kind of like a hidden brain running the entire show. So today, let's pull back that curtain and see what makes your favorite restaurant really tick.
So just think about it for a second. The last time you ordered food, what actually happens in those few seconds right after you decide what you want? You might tell the cashier, "I'll have a burger." Or maybe you just scan one of those QR codes on the table. Seems super simple, doesn't it? But bam! In that split second, you've just kicked off this incredible high-speed chain reaction that ripples through the entire restaurant.
And at the very heart of that whole operation, it's something called a point-of-sale system. You'll hear it called a POS system. Now, don't picture one of those old, clunky cash registers. No. Today's POS is way more than that. It's the command center. It's that central nervous system we were talking about, connecting every single part of the operation. It's the one piece of tech that makes sure everything else is talking to each other.
All right, so where does this journey of an order begin? Well, it starts right there, with you at your table looking at the menu. But even this very first step has gotten a huge digital makeover.
I mean, we've all seen this happening, right? You've got your traditional paper menu. It's static, maybe a little worn. Then you have the digital menu, usually just a quick scan of a QR code away. And the key thing here is, it's not just a picture of the paper menu. Oh no, it's a fully interactive portal. You get these amazing photos, you get detailed descriptions, and the best part, you can easily customize your meal and send your order straight from your phone right into the restaurant's brain.
Okay, so you've made your choice. You've tapped confirm on your phone or you've told the cashier what you want. So, what happens next? Now the action zips behind the counter.
And here's that chain reaction we talked about, playing out in real time. The second your order hits that POS terminal, it's zapped over to the kitchen. Instantly. There's no one yelling, "One burger, well done," or running a paper ticket back. The cooks just see it pop up on a screen in front of them. That's the Kitchen Display System, or KDS. And here's the crucial part. The order's status immediately changes to in progress for everyone to see. The whole team is on the same page, just like that.
Now this is where the real magic starts, and it's something that's totally invisible to us as customers. While the kitchen is just starting to see your order, the POS system is already busy doing math back in the stockroom.
How does it do that? Well, it's because of a really clever feature called recipes. See, the manager has already gone into the system and programmed it. They've told it, hey, for every single large beef burger we sell, it uses exactly 200 grams of beef, 1 bun, 2 slices of cheese, and so on. Every item is broken down.
So, let's take a peek at the inventory. Before you placed your order, the system shows the restaurant has 5 kilograms of beef in stock. Nice and simple.
And the instant your burger order goes through, bam! Just like that, the inventory updates. It's now down by 200 grams. And remember, this is happening in real time for every single ingredient in your order. The bun, the cheese, the pickles, everything is being tracked automatically.
What's really cool is that the system is smart enough to know the difference between types of inventory. So for raw ingredients like the beef, it tracks by weight using those recipes we just mentioned. But for something prepackaged like a soda can, it just tracks it by the unit. So you order a soda, it just subtracts 1 from the total count. And maybe the best part for the restaurant? The system can automatically send an alert to the manager when stock gets low, so they never, ever run out of your favorite stuff.
Okay, so we've seen how every single order is tracked with just incredible precision. But what happens when we zoom out a bit? Well, all of that individual data starts to come together, giving the restaurant this super powerful, real-time view of its own business. And this is the immediate payoff. A manager can just glance at their dashboard and see exactly what's hot right now. So, okay, the large beef burger is selling well, 25 so far. But whoa, look at that, they've sold 31 sodas. The point is, this isn't some dusty report they look at once a month. This is a live pulse of what customers want, and it helps them make smart decisions right in the middle of a busy service.
And when you pull it all together, say at the end of the day or even just in the middle of a shift, the system can give you this complete snapshot. You can see total sales, you can see which employee is bringing in the most. Hey, good job, Fahad. And you can even see which table is the busiest. Every single order we've been following feeds into this bigger picture, It literally turns thousands of tiny little interactions into real, useful knowledge for running the business better.
All right, let's tie this all together now. Because that POS system isn't just a piece of software living on a tablet. It's the central hub that connects an entire ecosystem of other gadgets and services.
I mean, just look at how it all works together like a symphony. That one single order for a burger can instantly print a receipt, pop open the cash drawer, send the exact amount to the payment terminal for your card, and update the now serving screen to ready for pickup. It's also talking to delivery apps, feeding info to the accounting software. All of it is perfectly orchestrated by that one central digital brain.
It's pretty amazing, right? The modern restaurant is this marvel of efficiency, hiding all this incredible complexity behind a simple, delicious meal. So the next time you're out to eat and you place your order, take a quick look around. See if you can spot some of this hidden tech, the QR code, the payment terminal, maybe a glimpse of the kitchen screen, because now you'll know you're not just looking at a gadget. You're seeing one piece of a much bigger, much smarter digital brain at work.